So what is monkeypox? Well, let's start with the name. First of all, monkeys are kind of getting a bad rap here. You see, monkeypox was first discovered in 1958 in monkeys being used for research, but it turns out they were not the source of it. In fact, they just happened to be susceptible to it, just like humans. It actually belongs to the same family of viruses as smallpox, but it's less contagious and not anywhere near as deadly. When smallpox was eradicated globally more than 40 years ago, officials stopped vaccinating for it. And that's part of the problem. Now the smallpox vaccine actually provides protection against other pox viruses, including, you guessed it, monkeypox. The last monkeypox outbreak in the U.S. was in 2003, but that was only 47 cases. They were all linked to pet prairie dogs. You see, those animals were infected after coming in contact with animals imported from Ghana. During this outbreak, though, monkeypox appears to be spreading through skin-to-skin contact with anybody infected. It has an incubation period of usually 1 to 2 weeks. It can start with a fever, muscle aches, and fatigue. Now after that, a rash develops resulting in lesions, and that typically lasts 2 to 4 weeks. Now while most people recover just fine, children and people with weakened immune systems are at risk for severe disease. Now the U.S. uses 2 types of smallpox vaccines to fight monkeypox, and the CDC says anybody who thinks they've been exposed should definitely get a shot. But that's easier said than done. You see, doctors and patients are reporting lengthy delays in test results and a large amount of paperwork just to get the treatment. Covering news where you live, Ruben Diaz, 5 News.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention confirmed there are more than 16,000 monkeypox cases worldwide, including more than 2,800 in the U.S. Some social media users are wondering if this means monkeypox is a pandemic. And one epidemiologist argues in a tweet with 6,300 likes that it certainly should be. So let's verify. Has monkeypox been declared a pandemic? Our sources are the World Health Organization, the CDC, the White House, Columbia University's Mailman School of Public Health, and Catherine Jacobson, an infectious disease epidemiologist with the University of Richmond. Only the WHO can declare a disease a pandemic. Currently, it refers to monkeypox as a global public health emergency, not a pandemic. Both the CDC and White House refer to monkeypox as an outbreak. Jacobson says this is because cases are primarily in cities among men who have sex with other men. But the U.S. is starting to see more cases in women and rural areas.
At that point, this would certainly be considered a widespread epidemic.
So, no, monkeypox has not been declared a pandemic. Even if that were to happen, Jacobson says she does not expect it will be anything like the COVID-19 pandemic because monkeypox doesn't spread as easily. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.